Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys are doing well. And in this video, I would like to tell you guys sometimes what happens. We want to good friend and we want to talk on, but we don't have any topic to discuss. And what happened, guys? We want to find good person. Yes, I'm talking about Insta. I'm talking about WhatsApp. I'm talking about Facebook. I'm talking about Snapchat. I'm not using Snapchat because I'm not interested to use and I don't have that much time to use. Yes, when I have leisure time, so I read only book which is English book. Yes. So first discuss which is Insta. You know what happened, guys? Sometimes we saw suddenly scroll. Sometimes we have little leisure time, so at that times we want to scroll phone and suddenly we watch photos. Yes, I'm talking about someone photo and then that times we want to connect and then simply we text message which is hi. Yes, so that times we speak only English and then again he say hello and that times you told like hi, how are you, what are you doing right now, these kind of conversation. Am I right, guys? Yes, we want to connect. And what about deep conversation? When it's come to the deep conversation, so at that times we feel nervous, we feel depressed. Oh my god, how can I give answer because I don't know how to speak in English. But he know and she know. But what about you? You don't know how to speak in English. But why you want to talk? Because he is a good person and she is a good person. So that's why. And starting in the beginning time, so it's very happy. And when it's come to that deep conversation, I already told you guys that times we feel nervous. Oh my god, what question I asked? So it's benefit for me and now he's asking different kind of question and how can I give answer. So that time simply we went what obviously that time हम लोग कहाँ जाते हैं, हमारे पास एक गूगल ट्रांसलेटर है. मैं आप लोगों को पिक्चर भी इस वीडियो में मेंशन करूंगी, आप लोग देखिएगा. सिंपली हम वहां जाकर के हिंदी में बोलते हैं एंड देन उसको कॉपी करते हैं एंड पेस्ट कर देते हैं उस पर्सन को. So that times, how many times do you do regular basis? So that times what he told, you don't know English, so why you're speaking English? So you have to speak only. So that times you tell that person like I don't know speaking English, but now I'm trying to speak with you. Now I'm trying to communicate with you. So that's why I'm talking English. So you have to simply see your partner, your friend, and then she changes. But what happened, guys? Nowadays we have ChatGPT. Nowadays we have Google Translator. Nowadays we have Google. So at that times simply we go and then we speak in Hindi and then we translate in English and then we copy and paste. So कब तक? How many times you will do? Tell me first. And sometimes what happens when we do again and again, over and over, so you feel regret. So you have to know your reality. You have to tell yourself like I don't know how to speak in English, but I want to speak in English. I want to try my best, and then I'm trying to communicate with people. But otherwise, how is it possible to learn English? So you have to say, you have to correct your sentence. ऐसे होता है कि अभी तो आप कॉपी पेस्ट करके चला लोगे, बट जब उसको आप पसंद करने लगोगे, ठीक है, जिसको आप बात करते हैं उसको आप पसंद करने लगोगे. सपोज वो लड़का भी हो सकता है, सपोज वो लड़की, जैसे मैं लड़की हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली लड़का को ही पसंद करूंगी, आप लड़के हो तो लड़की को पसंद करोगे. उस टाइम तो आपका कन्वर्सेशन नॉर्मल चलते रहेगा. I want to speak little Hindi. So that times what happen, simply आप लोग का चलते रहेगा, आप कॉपी पेस्ट करके डाल के चलाते रहोगे. And when it's come to the meeting, so that times she want to speak in English, and what about you? You don't know how to speak in English, so that times you feel regret, you feel like why I'm starting English, so that times you feel regression, आप रिग्रेट करोगे अपने बारे में, एंड दैट टाइम्स वो सोचेगी कि इसको इंग्लिश नहीं आता, बट ये कॉपी पेस्ट करके चला रहा था। तो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू विल डू, टेल मी फर्स्ट। एक बार हो गया, दो बार हो गया, समझ में आता है, आप उनको सिंपली बोलिए कि आई डोंट नो हाउ टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, बट नाउ आई एम ट्राइंग टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश। यू हैव टू टेल, सो इट्स बेनिफिट फॉर यू। ऐसे होता है कि गाइस इसके चक्कर में हमारे रिश्ते भी खराब होते हैं। आपके पास अच्छी अच्छी डिग्री है, यू हैव मल्टीपल डिग्री, बट स्टिल यू आर लैकिंग, you don't know how to speak even single sentence, so you have to improve your spoken English. You have to do something new, you have to start macro words, you have to do something different kind of, you have to do certain things related to what you are lacking, and then see changes. You have to read and write. So when you will read, so that times you write and then see changes. When you will read, sometimes what happen guys, when we will read, so that times we feel drowsy, we don't want to read, and that times you have to write also, so that time आपका रीडिंग का भी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा एंड राइटिंग की भी। जब भी आप राइट करोगे, व्हेन यू विल राइट एनी काइंड ऑफ स्टोरी, सो एट दैट टाइम यू करेक्ट योर सेंटेंस। उससे क्या होता है, जब भी हम रीड करते हैं एंड देन राइट करते हैं, तो उससे क्या आता है, हमारा दो बेनिफिट होता है। सो दैट टाइम यू, एक तो आप स्पीकिंग भी करोगे, थ्री थिंग्स होते हैं साइमल्टेनियसली, व्हेन यू विल रीड एंड राइट, सो साइमल्टेनियसली यू आर स्पीकिंग, थ्री थिंग्स हो रहा है, थ्री थिंग्स। यस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट थ्री थिंग्स। लाइक उसी टाइम आप रीड भी कर रहे हो, उसी टाइम आप राइट भी कर रहे हो, उससे क्या है आप स्पीकिंग भी कर रहे हो, और उससे क्या है आपकी जो वर्ड्स, समटाइम्स ऐसे होता है कि जब हम लिखते हैं तो हमको वर्ड्स, कुछ कुछ वर्ड्स हम भूल जाते हैं, लाइक स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक हो जाता है, तो उससे क्या है आपको हेल्पफुल होगी। So you have to do every day three things, so it's benefit for you, and then you do shadow practice. Why I'm talking about shadow practice? When you will do shadow practice, so it's helpful for you. What is the meaning of shadow? आप suddenly कोई भी आप वीडियो देख रहे हो, so you have to watch strictly, and then that time जब आप प्ले करोगे तो उधर से आवाज आएगा, उस आवाज को आप उसमें बोलोगे, उस स्पीच को आप मैच करोगे। Why I'm talking to you guys, like why I'm telling you have to do, when you will do shadow practice, so it's helpful for you. इससे क्या हेल्पफुल होगा, उससे ये होगा कि आपके जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन है वो आपके ठीक होंगे। एंड आई डिड एवरी डे, एवरी डे मैं अपना अपना जितना भी शैडोइंग प्रैक्टिस होता है ना, मैं डेली करती हूँ, डेली। सो दैट्स व्हाई डे बाय डे आई एम improving my English. You have to do every day and then see changes. You have to start small words. I'm not talking about big words. What happened? We are uncomfortable to speak in English. Yes, why we are uncomfortable? Just because we don't know how to speak in English. So that's why I'm telling to you, you have to focus your voice modulation, you are speaking, and you are listening practice. You have to listen at least half an hour daily and then see changes. So how was my video? If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. Yes, we will meet soon. Bye and take care.